Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and this is just a quick video to let you know that my latest book, Diminished Scale Guitar Mastery, is now available for purchase on Amazon, so please do check out the link in the description. If you're anything like me, you have been drawn throughout your life to things that grab your ear, things that have a little bit of mystery, a little bit of intrigue. And the more I've listened to players like Robin Ford, or Larry Carlton, or John Schofield, or Jimmy Herring, the diminished scale is a scale that I hear coming up time and time again. And of course, this isn't a scale that's limited to the guitar. This is one that jazz musicians like to use all of the time. It's a scale that I have been working on intensely for years and have never been particularly great at, and I'm always looking to get better at it. So for the last several months, I've devoted myself to nothing but diminished. And I'm bringing you this book, which is going to teach you everything that you could need to know about playing the diminished scale on the guitar. It is a fantastic scale, a fantastic sound, and we have a lot of content in this book for you to digest. Of course, we are going to deal with all of the theory. What is the diminished scale? What is the half-whole diminished scale? What is the whole half diminished scale? Where do we use these scales? We're going to cover all of the fingering options that you would need to master these all over the neck on the guitar. And then we are going to delve deep into playing and using this scale, both in functional contexts and in static contexts. So places where the theory would tell you to use this, but also some places where we can use it just because we like the sound of it. And that's, I think, what music should be about, right? If it sounds good, it is. So tons and tons of licks. We're going to cover guitar-based vocabulary. So that's vocabulary that suits the very shape-based nature of our instrument. But also we're going to delve deep into the more traditional jazz pianist or saxophonist approach, where we are just dealing with the fact that some things are difficult to play on our guitar and we need to practice them until they become completely automatic. And then once we've done that, I'm going to teach you tons of triad bass licks, dyad bass licks, and some cool vocabulary over chord changes, and as I mentioned, over static changes. So I've put a lot of work into the book. I'm extremely happy with how it has turned out. I had such a blast making it, and because I had a blast making it, I'm relatively sure you're going to have a blast reading and learning from it. So if this is of interest to you, please do check out the link in the description and grab yourself a copy. And yeah, I will be making more videos on the diminished scale over the coming week, so check some of those out and see if it's for you. Much love, and I will see you for more videos soon. Laters.